Hi there, my name's Jimmy Taylor and I work in the Graduate Talent Acquisition team here at Deloitte. I'm responsible for recruiting all of our summer vacationer and graduates into our consulting and risk advisory service lines in Sydney and Western Sydney. We receive thousands of applications for our summer vacationer and graduate programs. So as someone who's responsible for reviewing your application once you hit the submit button, I want to share with you some tips and hints to make sure that your application really stands out. Firstly, it's really important that you do your research. Deloitte is a very unique organisation and we really pride ourselves on the difference that we provide our clients for making an impact that truly matters. So where do you find out this information? So one of the best resources you have available to you is our dedicated student recruitment website called Your Future at Deloitte. Now this website is a great resource for you where you can find out more information about the different service lines that we think you would be a great fit for at Deloitte. And it also provides more information around our application process and also about the different programs we provide for students at different stages of their university degree. We also recommend that you follow us on social media. So connect with us over Facebook, LinkedIn, follow us on Twitter because it gives you a great insight into our firm culture, our events, and what we're up to. We also would love to see you out on campus as well. So if we are attending a careers fair or out on campus doing a presentation on Deloitte or a learning session, definitely come along and have a chat with us there as well. So now you've done your research on Deloitte and you know which service line that you're going to be applying for. So it's really important that you take your time with this particular part of the process when submitting your application online. You really don't want to rush this because this is the most important part of the process. This is the part of the process where we're going to be reviewing your application, and this is the most important part for you to be able to stand out from the other thousands of applications that we receive. So it's really important that you don't rush this part of the process. As part of the application process, we'll ask you to fill out an online application form. So we'll ask you for your basic contact details. We'll also ask you to fill out 2 standard questions around your motivations on why you want to apply for Deloitte. Now, when answering those open-ended questions that we've given you, it's really important that you don't duplicate your responses from other applications for other organisations you might have made. As a recruiter, I want to see that you're genuinely passionate about wanting to start out your career at Deloitte and that you truly understand what it is that we do at Deloitte and what we look for. There have been a number of times when I've reviewed applications where I can tell that someone might have copied and pasted their responses, and I've even received applications where people have put in insert firm name here. You don't want to be that person. It's really important that you take your time answering these questions and really tailor your responses so that you're able to incorporate all of your research that you've done into Deloitte, but also able to incorporate your career motivations and also the other skills that you might have developed outside of university as well. My last bit of advice around submitting your application is make sure that there are no spelling mistakes or grammatical errors throughout your application form or your CV. You have so many resources available to you, so definitely make sure that you check out the other videos that we have up on YouTube around different stages of our recruitment process. We hope that you found those tips and hints useful, and we look forward to reviewing your application soon.